Q8367. Describe dynamic longitudinal stability. A. Motion about the longitudinal axis. B. Motion about the lateral axis. C. Motion about the vertical axis. The correct answer is B. An airplane's ability to maintain stability about its lateral axis is known as longitudinal stability. 8367-1. When does a typical aircraft exhibit reduced longitudinal stability? A. With the center of gravity, CG, near the aft limit. B. With the center of gravity, CG, near the forward limit. C. With the center of gravity, CG, at a mid-range location. The correct answer is A. A typical aircraft exhibits reduced longitudinal stability when the center of gravity, CG, is near the aft limit. Longitudinal stability refers to the aircraft's stability and response characteristics in pitch. The position of the center of gravity plays a crucial role in determining the longitudinal stability of an aircraft. When the CG is located near the aft limit, it means that the center of mass is positioned closer to the tail of the aircraft. This configuration tends to reduce the stability of the aircraft in pitch. It makes the aircraft more prone to nose-up or nose-down pitch movements and decreases its natural tendency to return to its trimmed or desired pitch attitude. 8376. What characteristic should exist if an airplane is loaded to the rear of its CG range? A. Sluggish in aileron control. B. Sluggish in rudder control. C. Unstable about the lateral axis. The correct answer is C. The lateral axis is an imaginary line that runs from wingtip to wingtip, passing through the center of gravity. It is perpendicular to the longitudinal axis, nose to tail, and represents the axis of roll. When the CG is located toward the rear of its range, it means that the center of mass is positioned closer to the tail of the aircraft. This configuration can lead to decreased stability in roll, making the aircraft more prone to roll instability and oscillations. 8380. What are some characteristics of an airplane loaded with the CG at the aft limit? A. Lowest stall speed, highest cruise speed, and least stability. B. Highest stall speed, highest cruise speed, and least stability. C. Lowest stall speed, lowest cruise speed, and highest stability. The correct answer is A. When an airplane is loaded with the center of gravity, CG, at the aft limit, it typically exhibits the characteristics of the lowest stall speed, highest cruise speed, and least stability. Option A is the correct answer. Loading the aircraft with the CG at the aft limit shifts the weight distribution towards the tail. This has several effects on the aircraft's performance and stability. Lowest stall speed. The aft CG position helps to maintain a higher angle of attack during the stall, allowing the aircraft to generate more lift at a lower airspeed. This results in a lower stall speed. Highest cruise speed. The aft CG position reduces drag by reducing the tail-down force, which can result in a higher cruise speed. It allows the aircraft to fly with a more streamlined configuration. Least stability. The aft CG position reduces the stability of the aircraft. It makes the aircraft more sensitive to pitch changes and less stable in maintaining a desired pitch attitude. This can lead to reduced overall stability. 8380-1. An airplane loaded with the CG at the aft limit will A. Fly more efficiently. B. Be very unbalanced in lateral control forces. C. Feel heavy in the longitudinal axis. The correct answer is C. When an airplane is loaded with the center of gravity, CG, at the aft limit, it will feel heavy in the longitudinal axis. This means that the nose of the aircraft will tend to pitch down, requiring more control input to maintain the desired pitch attitude. Loading the CG at the aft limit shifts the weight distribution towards the tail, making the tail heavy. As a result, the nose-down pitching moment increases, and the aircraft can feel less stable in pitch. This can make the aircraft more challenging to control and require more effort from the pilot to maintain the desired pitch attitude.